Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the no SIM card error on Android. This error usually occurs when the phone cannot detect the SIM card due to poor contact, SIM damage, or network issues. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the system. Next, check if the SIM cards are disabled in Settings under SIM Manager. If they are disabled, tap the toggle to re-enable them. Next, power off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and carefully clean the SIM card and tray with a soft cloth, then reinsert the SIM card properly. If the error persists, try the SIM card in another phone to check if the SIM is working. Also, try using a different SIM card in your phone to test the SIM slot. If the SIM card is damaged, contact your carrier for a replacement. Finally, check for system updates in Settings and install any available updates. That's it. We just learned how to troubleshoot the no SIM card error by checking SIM placement, testing with another phone, updating the system, and enabling SIM cards in Settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.